how this is how we drive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another fixing video. If you have a Nescafe machine as I have here, Dolce Gusto, Dolce or other different type, this is a round shape. I have one behind that is another shape, and you have problem in the round one as this in Dolce Gusto. If we hit power button here, and if we put one side, you listen noise, but you never see water. So the machine is stuck. You listen noise and you don't see coffee, nothing is coming properly. So how you can fix this one? Very easy fixing could be. Okay, let's go to the process. I have to show you exactly. So we take this out from here. We have to take this out from here, this one, and we take this out from here. You can see here, this one here is a needle. This needle most of the time becomes jam. If it's jam, you can replace with a new one. I have a new one here. This is a brand new here to replacement. In case if you can't fix, you can change, replace a new one. So we'll try to fix this first. Behind we go, take this off from here. This one, be careful if you have water. And in this side especially, I'll show you close. This side especially, they comes with a tool. This is a cleaning tool. You have to take this off. Something as a spring, a needle, you see, something as this. This is cleaning tool. You have to take this one, the edge, and you have to press inside the needle. The hole, you see how it's going? You have to clean, pumping in and out to clean this. It should move. If you feel tight or something, you have to press hard to clean inside. So clean this one is done. Let's try. Put it back all as it was. Here we go. Close this one. Hit the power button. Remove the needle. Wow. Working as a magic, guys. Lovely. If you can't fix, then you have to buy this spare part and change the whole tray. And you're gonna fix 100 on 100 in this case, or this is the way you can fix. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.